Choosing the right CPU is critical for smooth gameplay, high frame rates, and future-proof performance. Whether you're building a budget PC or a high-end battle station, AMD's 2025 lineup has a perfect match. Here's a quick look at the 4 best CPUs for gaming in 2025, based on real-world experience and performance. Number 1. Ryzen 7 9800X 3D, overall best CPU for gaming. In real-world gaming scenarios, the Ryzen 7 9800X 3D delivers an exceptionally fluid and responsive experience. Expect consistently high average frame rates in AAA titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Alan Wake 2, and Starfield, often surpassing competitors, especially at 1080p and 1440p resolutions. Its substantial L3 cache proves particularly advantageous in CPU-intensive games or titles that are sensitive to memory latency, such as simulation games, e.g., Microsoft Flight Simulator, or competitive esports where every millisecond counts. Even while streaming or running background applications, the gaming performance remains largely unaffected, making it a stellar choice for dedicated gamers and content creators who game primarily. Number 2. Ryzen 5 9600X, mid-range best CPU for gaming. From a real experience standpoint, the Ryzen 5 9600X consistently delivers strong performance across a wide range of games. You'll find it comfortably hitting high frame rates in most popular titles at 1080p and 1440p resolutions, making it ideal for 144Hz plus monitors. While it may not reach the peak frame rates of its X3D counterparts in specific cache-sensitive scenarios, the difference is often negligible for the average gamer and is more than offset by its appealing price point. It handles multitasking well enough for typical gaming setups, allowing you to run Discord, a browser, or music applications without significant performance degradation during gameplay. Number 3. Ryzen 9 9950X 3D, highest performance best CPU for gaming. In practice, the Ryzen 9 9950X 3D offers an unparalleled user experience. For gaming, it matches or exceeds the 9800X 3D in frame rates, particularly in games that can leverage both its high clock speeds and massive L3 cache. Where it truly differentiates itself, however, is in its ability to seamlessly switch between heavy gaming and intensive productivity tasks. Running a game, streaming simultaneously, encoding video in the background, and compiling code will barely make this CPU sweat. Its immense multi-core power ensures buttery-smooth performance even under extreme loads, making it the go-to solution for power users who refuse to compromise on either gaming or professional application performance. Number 4. Ryzen 5 8600G, entry-level best CPU for gaming. The real experience with the Ryzen 5 8600G is surprisingly capable for an integrated graphics solution. While it won't run demanding AAA titles at ultra settings, it excels at 1080p in popular esports titles like Valorant, CS2, League of Legends, and even some older or less graphically intensive AAA games at lower settings. It provides smooth gameplay at respectable frame rates, making PC gaming accessible to a broader audience. For everyday tasks, web browsing, and video playback, it's incredibly snappy and efficient. It also serves as an excellent temporary solution, allowing users to build a functioning gaming PC and add a discrete GPU later for a significant performance boost.